Hi, in this video I will show you how to install Ubuntu 20.04 server on VMware ESXI, step by step. For this tutorial, I am using Ubuntu 20.04 server and VMware ESXI. Let's start. Ubuntu 20.04 Server Edition provides a common, minimalist base for a variety of server applications, such as file, print services, web hosting, email hosting, etc. The Ubuntu Server Edition and the Ubuntu Desktop Edition use the same apt repositories, making it just as easy to install a server application on the Desktop Edition as on the Server Edition. One major difference is that the graphical environment used for the Desktop Edition is not installed for the server. The recommended system requirements for Ubuntu Server are 1 GHz for CPU, 512 MB for RAM, 2.5 GB for hard drive. We will start by download Ubuntu 20.04 LTS server ISO file from the Ubuntu site. Once ISO file is downloaded on your system, we will go to create a new virtual machine. To create a new virtual machine, choose Custom for specific configuration. Specify the name of virtual machine and press Next. Choose the pool if you have one and select the destination storage for this VM. Next, select the virtual machine version. Now choose the guest operating system and press Next. Select the number of virtual CPU. Configure the memory size and press Next. For network configuration, we will leave the default configuration. Specify the virtual disk size and press Next. Now we will specify the delay of boot for we can boot on ISO file and press Finish. Start the VM. Connect the ISO image to CD drive. Finally, select CD-ROM drive in boot menu. That's it for create a virtual machine. Once the system boots up, we will choose your installation language. Choose your preferred keyboard layout for your Ubuntu 2004 server and then choose Done option. If your system is connected to the network, then in the next screen you will see that interface Ethernet card has automatically picked the IP via DHCP. In case you have multiple Ethernet cards, then you have option to create a bond interface, choose Done and hit Enter. If your system is connected to network and running behind the proxy server, then specify the proxy IP and port, else leave as it is. Installer will automatically configure Ubuntu Archive Mirror based on the country location. Press Enter to proceed. In this step, you will be presented a screen where you need to decide how you want to configure storage layout for Ubuntu 2004 LTS server installation. Here you have two options: use an entire disk, in case you want installer to automatically create partitions. Custom storage layout, in case you want to create your own customized partition scheme or table. In this video, we will choose the automatically partition scheme by choosing the first option. Once you are done with partition setup, you will get the following screen: verify the partitions and then choose Done. Choose Continue to write changes into the disk and to proceed with installation. In this step, you need to specify the local user details and host name that you want to set for your server. In case you want to access your server over network using SSH, then it is recommended to install OPENSSH server package during installation. So, choose Install OPENSSH server option. Now, you have an option to choose the snaps for your server environment, and if you don't want to install any snap during the installation, then don't choose any snap and just choose Done and press Enter to start the installation. As we can see below, installation of Ubuntu 2004 LTS server has been started and is in progress. Once the installation is completed, installer will prompt to reboot the system. After reboot, use the local user credentials that we have created during the installation for login. Use the local user credentials that we have created during the installation for login. Finally, make sure the Ubuntu 2004 server is up to date by sudo apt update and sudo apt upgrade.
Thanks for watching. Let me know what you think of this video in the comment. Make sure to subscribe so you don't miss out on my future videos.